17 left, clear for takeoff, 652 Mike Alpha.
Speedbird 191 heavy, runway 17 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 17 left, Speedbird 191 heavy.
Austin Towers, 4 Charlie Sierra with you. Number 614 Charlie Sierra, Austin Tower, runway 17 left, land. Crossback turbulence following the heavy Boeing 777. Okay, clear to land, 17 left, and we're watching out for the big jet. 4 Charlie Sierra. Cessna 2 Mike Alpha, contact departure, good day.
Going to departure, 2 Mike Alpha, good day.
We'll say that was a serious shock.
Austin departure, 652 Mike Alpha, which now climbing to 1000.
Cessna 652 Mike Alpha, Austin departure radar contact. You can resume navigation to the city. Advise if you're going somewhere else after that.
Roger that, resuming all navigation to the city, and we'll let you know if we change course. 652 Mike Alpha. Nearly forgot our fucking call sign. See, that's the main runway there, the Cedar runway.
I was saying it was a really short take. Like I thought we'd be going a good distance down the runway.
No, takeoff roll is tiny in it.
Approach, Ranger 845, level 3000.
Ranger 845, Austin approach. This will be vectors for localizer runway 17 left. How will the approach terminate?
Approach terminate with full stop, Ranger 845.
Roger.
My God, we're climbing so slow. I don't think I've ever climbed this slow on this plane. It's just the heat, the air is just so like not dense.
Right.
Like
Jesus.
really not dense.
Ranger 845, turn left heading 260.
Left 260, Ranger 845.
Like the needle's barely moving. Usually this is up at least 500 feet a minute.
Oh yeah.
And this thing will we'll be at 2,000 feet like 2 minutes ago, you know? But, you know, and our speed is constant like.
So we're at what? 680 feet, is it?
We're at 1,700, we're at 1,700 feet.
Oh, sorry, I thought we were...
Ranger 845, keep your speed up for the sequence to the airport and turn left heading 245.
Keep speed up for sequence to the airport, turn left heading 245, Ranger 845.
Jazz 840, reduce speed to 200 or less, 200 or less.
Well, to 200 or less for Jazz 840.
This is the 35 motorway here.
That's the one we were on farther up, was it?
Not today, no. We crossed over alright. We came from back. We came out on the number 1 motorway, which is the next one up on the other side there.
That is class. So is this like the capital of Texas, or?
Yeah.
Jazz 840, descend and maintain 3,500.
3,500, Jazz 840.
845, 3 miles from Gappy, turn left heading 200, maintain 2,500 until established on the localizer, cleared localizer, runway 17 left approach.
Left 200, maintain 2,500 till established on the localizer, cleared localizer, runway 17 left.
Serious old stadium over there.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, it is, yeah, that's where the football team plays. Austin departure, 652 Mike Alpha. We're done over the city now. We're going to head to the Cedar Park area.
Cessna 2 Mike Alpha, roger.
Eastbound, so he's coming this way from Breakaway, which is right out in front of us, and he's the same altitude. Now we get this right. There we go. Let's come back over again. There we go. So this, sorry, yeah, you'll see the swimming pool anyway. They're not far from you now. You're going to come right in over. I'll bank you in over them. I'll keep an eye out for that traffic.
I think I see him. Or no?
You got it?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Austin Scout 5971, 8, descending on the Sweezy 3. Scout 5971, Austin approach, good afternoon, clear direct Brahms, descend and maintain 4,000. Direct Brahms and down to 4,000, Scout 5971. That's the full circuit here, maintain VFR 3,000 or below.
Maintain VFR 3,000 or below, circuits here. Alright, we're going to come up again and we'll turn around and we'll go back out the other way.
Cessna 2 Mac off of the previous call traffic is, looks like he's landing at Breakaway.
Roger that, thank you for that. 652 Mike Alpha, we're going to head out towards Lake Travis now, if that's all right.
Cessna 2 Mike Alpha, approved as requested, no traffic in the vicinity.
652 Mike Alpha, approved as requested, thank you.
Austin approach South 758's with you, 17-2, descending 14, we got takeoff.
Southwest 758, Austin approach, and maintain 6,000.
Then maintain 6, South 758.
And 758, plan runway 17 right.
17 right, thanks, South 758.
Alright, okay, so you got the controls? Yeah, so that's all you. So don't worry about the radio, don't worry about the pedals or the throttle, yeah?
Okay.
So you want to try and keep it, you can't see your horizon there too much, you can kind of make out where it is, but you can keep an eye on this instrument, that shows you where your horizon is if you want. So you're banking slightly to the right now, so if you just move it back over to the left and you'll straighten it up. You want to keep the dash level with the horizon if you can see it, and you can't really now, so. There's another thing called the sight picture, so I'll just give you a proper sight picture here. So see where the horizon roughly is over there, and how much land you can see, and how much sky you can see.
Right.
That's your flying level.
Okay.
So if you start to see less land, you're flying up. If you start to see more land, you're flying down. Yeah. And this instrument will tell you whether you're flying up or down. So you're going slightly down now. But we can afford to go slightly down because we're slightly above 3,000, so you're going up now.
Southwest 758, turn right heading 080, vector 4 descent.
Right turn heading 080, South 758.
That's cool, huh?
That is, get no snappily there.
You wanna bank to the left and bank to the right? Do a sharp bank to the left?
No, it's really, to be honest, no.
You can hold on to there. I'll bank you over far enough there. I got the pedals as well, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you just leave it there, and then the plane will continue to bank.
What's your for UT?
Then you got to pull up slightly, and then you can straighten it up then.
Uniform Texas Sierra.
Yeah. You're pointing up now again, so you wanna start to bring yourself back down. Move that away from your microphone there for a second.
Sorry.
Yeah, and if you want to bank right and head over towards the middle of the lake there,
Austin approach, Comanche 5272 pump.
And you can pull back a little bit when you bank, because you lose lift, you know, when you bank. And you can straighten up then again.
Approach Southwest 225, 1.7, 4,000.
Not bad, huh?
225 off departure radar contact, turn right.
I don't think I'll transfer to the airport just yet.
Right 350, 12,000. Southwest 225.
Number 5272, Papa, go ahead.
5272 Pop is 40 miles to the southwest. Would like to pick up VFR flight following into Georgetown. We're at 8,500.
2 Mike Alpha, with you now, straight in 17 left.
Cessna 652 Mike Alpha, Austin Tower, runway 17 left, clear to land.
17 left, clear to land, 652 Mike Alpha. Alright, your seatbelt's still on, fuel sector's on both, mixture is, I'll push it in a bit, not too much. Landing light is on, and autopilot is disengaged. So you can see lights there on the left hand side the runway. There's 4 lights. We're going to try and get 2 whites and 2 reds, and then we're going to try and maintain that. So first I'm going to slow us right down and get down some flaps so we can slow down even more.
5677, just want to verify clear to land 17 right.
Airshow 5677 affirmative, runway 17 right, clear to land.
Thank you.
Ha! Bit late to be verifying now. Jesus, she's nearly on the runway.
Where's she now?
Oh, flaps down.
So are they controlling them lights now?
No, they're automatic for the plane. They,
Okay.
They just work. I don't know how they work, but they do. So we're high now because we got 4 whites, and I want to drop down without dropping any, or without increasing our airspeed if I can. That's why the power is out to nothing. And we'll put in more flaps so that we slow right down.
Austin Tower, Mooney 2218 Mike.
Oh yeah, I see her there now, just about to touch the
Yeah.
2218 Mike, Austin Tower.
Look at how big that runway is compared to that plane even, like.
Clear to land 17 left.
It's a balls for us because we got a taxi all the ways over then, or be a balls, you know. Alright, we'll drop altitude now because our airspeed is way down. We're getting 2 reds. Now we got 2 reds, so we're going to aim straight for the airport now, and we're going to try and keep 2 whites and 2 reds and keep our airspeed here about 80. We'll land about, well, we'll go over the threshold about 70, and then we'll land at, you'll hear the stall horn. You should hear the stall horn just before we touch down. That means we're at like minimum speed for flying. So if we went any slower, there'd be no more lift in the wings, and we just drop. You know?
Right, okay.
So.
Yeah, we're clear, number on golf.
Airshow 5677 left on Charlie, ground point 9er.
Left on Charlie to ground, Airshow 5677.
Actually, there's a third light just turning red there. That means we're a little bit low. Not too low, but we're a little bit low.
Oh, so that's what they, okay, right.
Yeah. So if it's all red, you're dead. All white.
So it's 2 white there again now.
Yeah.
So if it's all white, you're too high.
Yeah.
All red, you're too low.
Yeah. So 2 and 2. And then when you get close to the runway, it doesn't really matter anymore. You forget about the lights all of a sudden, and you're just going straight with the runway. You know, airspeed and altitude. It's all airspeed and aim point. So you pick a spot on your windscreen, a little smudge or something like that, aim that straight at the runway, and then you just keep that there.
Okay.
That's all you're doing. Just keep it there. Watching your airspeed, making sure you don't stall, because this is the time when you're most likely to stall. And keep it about 70. The full flaps are in.
How are we getting on?
Gracias. So you land the plane.